Hey guys, what's up? So today we're on best cherry trees 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first read is called Fly. Let is fly your Twitter notifications. So you choose whether to have it the icon animation and the springboard and the lock screen or both. You can also decide whether to make the bird sing. The two will come even if you have an unread notification. So pretty cool. The next week is called Genesis 2 and the evolution of something beautiful. So it's a large variety of ways to customize your device while also enhancing the Jailbreak experience. It's made for people who are tired of waiting for Apple to give us their true freedom on our devices. It is compatible with iOS and iPadOS 13 and 14. These features right here. And make sure you guys read the refund policy. The next tweak is called Translo, a lifesaver translate tweak. It allows you to basically, easily translate the text. It supports these apps right here. So it just makes it a lot more easier and faster and more convenient, chatting with people who speak different languages than you do. So it is compatible, it's free, and compatible with iOS 12, 13, and 14. Another cool tweak I actually made a visual video on, a video by yourself on. It's called Quick Search, and quickly search for something on the internet. So basically, it just brings up a little prompt on top wherever you're in, and then you basically just search up, wherever you want, and then it takes you right there. So it's really, just easier, faster, more convenient to search something up. The next tweak is called Gesto 513. It's also Gesto 511-12. It's a true multitasking tweak. So you basically multitask. So it supports iOS 13 and 13.5. This version. Another one supports 11.12. It enhances iOS multitasking view, making it powerful and familiar with the native look and design and gorgeous animations. iPads don't support multi-side, so you have Control Center plus App Switcher. You can combine App Switcher and Control Center in two ways. So you're multi-side, side by side, quick actions, app look, linear switcher, and grid switcher. Next week it's called YouTube Reborn. It's a YouTube customizer, so it's basically YouTube plus alternative. So yeah, pretty cool. Next week just came out. It's called Save Tinder. Save any photo, including Instagram, on Tinder by long pressing on the photo. So it is free. Supports iOS 12 and above. Next week is called Etsline. It's a Etsline provide app multi-run feature, so it does not support Game Center. For Game Center, you have to download a tweak called Slices 3 and downgrade it. Supports iOS 10 to 14. This one, basically, what it does. You have like different accounts for different apps and games. So one example is Snapchat. You can have actually like two accounts. Easily access them without having to sign back out, sign in, sign out, sign in. You can easily access them from this. So when you click on the app, once you have enabled in settings, you can have this right here. So you basically you can press default for your main account and then the other one for your second account. And this is called Route Faker Ets. It simulates fake routes. Supports iOS 10 to 14. Next is called Location Faker Ets. You can change location in the app. Supports iOS 10 to 14. So this is more for if you want to change your location while you're in this is just a regular one. Change your location. So if you want to change your location, also a tweak called Location Handle Ets. Same person or same developer. Supports iOS 10 to 14. This is more like made for games like Pokemon Go because you can change your location while you're in the app. So in Pokemon Go, you can basically walk without actually walking in real life. The next is called AirBlue NG. AirBlue Next Generation, fully integrated with native Bluetooth. This package will enhance the AirBlue package. Next is called AirBlue GPS. Has been updated in a while, but connected Bluetooth external GPS receivers, compatible with iBlueEver. Next is SB settings. Move your important toggles directly into Springboard while they are always available instantly, even while other apps are running. So it has not been updated, since quite a while. So it has been updated since 2014. Next tweak is called QQ. And basically, QQ purification, clean QQ for you. Next is called Classic Keyboard Ets. Covered with iOS 11 to 14. Custom Ets keyboard bottom height, globe bottom height. Next is called a better privacy for WhatsApp. And compatible with iOS 8 to 14. Gives you various enhancement options useful for your privacy and aesthetic on WhatsApp. Next is called Speculum. This package does not support iOS 13 completely and will not be updated. So, Latin for looking glasses. Set up your lock screen, clock, and date view how you like with this tweak. Change font size, font weight, lock screen position, color, temperature, unit, and more. Show these features right here. And the last tweak is called Animate My Badges. Another one coming out called Animate My Badges Pro. Make your icon badges yours. So this one, iOS 13, 14, animate your app badges. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. like, comment, subscribe, and peace.